Go down, clean this bit. You can lick it if you want.
I'm doing it. I could do this really quick, but I ain't doing it because I want to burn my hands, so I want to do it slow for it to cool down. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the cam sensor thing.
That's what it is, Jane.
I've ordered a new one. Yeah, this is why you need a oil catch camphor marker. See the oil around there? It goes all through your intake and shit. So if the oil catch hand goes here off that bracket, and that gets chopped in half and connected up. And oh, give it a lick.
I've got no industrial rolls, I've got some kitchen rolls for
Oil. Oh no. Well, I'm doing it slow because then by the time we actually pull this off, it ain't going to be as hot as it.
Let's pull out there.
Yeah, that comes out of there.
That's all oil just goes.
Yeah, it unclips from it and then comes out of there. What now? Ross, I need your superpowers right now. Do you know when you know exactly where every bolt comes from?
Put it in bags. That usually helps.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Let's go. This one ain't even fucking on properly.
Massive disappointment. Yeah, sure. I mean, that's what I went for. You can see how it's just going to be so fucking to see. That's why we're doing it.
It's weird. Very fucking weird. Oh, better get these out.
Jesus
fucking
Christ. He lost an arm. I think he did lose an arm.
I don't know what it is.
Just pop it up. What an absolute turd.
Yeah.
Nothing. Carry on, mate.
Fuck me. I don't get any easier to tell you that for free. Baby girl.
No, I didn't mean the sleeve, I meant the actual bolt.
Yes or no? Fuck me. Ross, you're good with clips.
I'm not doing it.
Is the one that lifts up?
It's got to be pinched, mate.
Yeah, this side thing, the whole thing, it's got to be pinched like that.
Yeah, see, that's why I get you to do it.
That's what I told you to do.
Right, you stay back. How can I get... Just loosen them all first, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that'll go over your fingers, though.
Easy.
What?
Easy.
Got your trim in there, mate.
Oh,
That's an embarrassment.
and the trim.
That's what I mean. Teaching you how to take your strut and your brace.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
That strut brace was designed.
Fucking how long are the bolts?
Longer than that.
Going. Shouldn't do that fucking bolt, ain't gonna get in your way.
What boat?
That one in front, yeah.
Right.
You silly
He's got
bastard.
you're up, Simon. You know, we've all got homes to go to. Sleep to catch up on. Oh, fucking hell. You
Oh
connected
my
here, you
God.
connected here.
Well, no, let me get the clip.
Isn't it just a clip?
Yeah. Is it a clip or?
Oh my fucking god.
Is that not normal?
What's your chain there?
Change
Don't turn it upside down, mate. Oh shit. It's got engine oil on it? Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh, wait, quick Ross, where can I put this?
Oh, in the bin.
I can't get to that corner bit though, where it's actually like... Just do like a little bob. Like that, yeah, perfect. Sweet. It's good now. I'm just surprised how fucking nice it looks inside. It's supposed to be... Oh, for a 90,000 mile car, you'd think it'd be a lot more rusty.
Whoa. Put this in straight. Can someone hold that clip push back? Is that clip there? Really? There we go.
I'll leave it like that. It's not in the way there, is it? Give him that check.
Someone needs to pull that back, that tube.
You're on the holes there. You meant to push it down? Yeah.
Oh.
You put the bolts up.
No, not tight, just do one.
No, I'm not putting them in, mate. I'm just putting them in so they're ready to go.
Oh, my back.
That did go ahead. Yeah, definitely. Oh. That didn't sound fucking good, did it, Sally?
Sally says no.
Brown sugar never been so sweet, but vanilla ice cream is my favourite dish. Black of the berry, the sweet or the drip. Make a cheesecake, last bit we can split it. Why you care what my pigment is? Held me down, I was progressing. Reminded me